everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today we are having a celebration, the celebration of Jesus' birth. It's Christmas, and so I told you that we are cooking a lot of food at my parents' house and with my family, and my auntie's here, and we're just having a good time because we're cooking. Here's my turkey. I show you. This is my turkey. We're having the oval. We have curry goat here cooking away, and then we're gonna do some jerk chicken also. And my auntie, she's making the best thing, the soup, the goat head soup. We call it mannish water in Jamaica. So I'm going to show you how my auntie, we're making the mannish water. She's scraping and washing the burned head and feet, and then we're gonna put it in our instant pot, and we're gonna make it cook there a little bit because it's very tough, and then we're gonna transfer it to the big pot with the vegetable and the dumpling and the banana and so on. So I just want my auntie to say hi, a quick hi to you guys. Say hi, auntie.
Hi everybody, Merry Christmas to you all. Have a blessed day.
Bye. I talk to you guys later and show you what's going on in one Honey Bell kitchen. A lot of cooking today. Bye. As I told you, the goat head soup, so we cut up the food as small as this, and we're making the dumpling, the spinners, right, auntie? The spinners, this is how she make it.
Yes.
And show them how you make it, like.
Just rub it in your hand like this.
Yes.
Get it long.
Yes. Show, hold it up like you can see the spinners, like hold
it up like.
Yes, that's the spinners, that's the dumpling you put in there. You don't want like big food to go in your soup. And I cut up the yam and everything just like small pieces. And then we're cooking the goat head in the instant pot or your pressure cooker. You could cook it in this pot, but I choose to do that, and then we're gonna combine it. So I show you what's going on with my goat head soup later in One Honey Bell Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Later. Again, I just want to show you how our goat head soup is going, or mannish water. Yes. So come, Durante, come a little closer. So this is what's going on. It's cooked. It's ready. It has body. We don't want it thick because we want soup to drink. So my auntie did a good job. You know, we make these we make some long dumplings. I want to show you, like this dumpling. That's how we make the dumpling. And then we cut up some banana also with the skin on it and put in there, and with our meat and our celery, carrot, pumpkin, chocha, the works. And this is what's going on. Like the meat is very soft. You see that it's very soft meat, and we're gonna have a good time. So I'm about to show you. I'm gonna drink. Just try a little bit. You know, I'm taking out some. I want to take a little taste of the goat head soup, and with food, it's mannish water. Let's see how it tastes. Auntie, I'm going to try your mannish water and tell you, because I love mannish water and I like when it cooks. Good. Okay. Oh my gosh. Everything is good. The pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper is good. The flavor is good. My dumpling here is good. Everything. If you look, you see my meat. It is so good. I hope you try to cook some of this for your family too. Subscribe and like. Bye.